Hello and welcome to Get Justice for Me. I am sure that you are looking at this video because someone, somewhere has ripped you off, badly. Well, I have good news. Get Justice is the website for you. To make sure that someone, or even a business, will now have to do some explaining. This website was created with you, the customer, in mind. And also to give you the opportunity to hear what others think of a case like yours. And also to get the correct information from a number of lawyers that will look at your case and provide you with the correct information. Because of the different sections in the website, I will divide the explanation into various parts. First, we will discuss what happens when I open a case. Then we will discuss what happens if I receive a text message or email to say that someone has logged a case against me. Or, what if I know of someone that has been done in badly, or are a witness to a case, or what if I only would like to get some information from a lawyer on something that bothers me? So let's start. Have you been ripped off, or someone have just conveniently forgotten to fulfill their obligation towards you? You have tried to reason with someone, just to get back what was initially yours. Or borrowed something to someone and never got it returned. Yes, I am sure. We have all been taken for a ride. And because legal costs are so expensive, we have just left it, and try to never think of it again. It's no longer needed. This is your day. This is the day when you can claim back what is owed to you. They say there are always many ways to kill a cat. And this site is one of them. This is your opportunity to inform the accused that you intend to tell the world of your ordeal. This is your chance to inform that person, that everybody will know what happened, and make others that he or she deals with aware of the fact that they also may lose by dealing with that person. Enough said about these bad people. You have come to the right place. Get Justice is for you. You may ask, but how will this work? Simple. All you need to do is register a case. And give all the detail on what happened, where it happened, and what did you lose in the process. Add all the evidence you have. And it does not matter if this is an email copy, a recording, a video. Add it all. You have enough time to do this efficient. Only if you press the finish button, we will record it that you made a case. Don't worry. It's not going to be placed public on the internet, as yet. No. Now we will inform the accused that you made a case against him or her. And this could be more than one party. It may be several people involved. They will have a time to respond to your accusations. They will have to defend themselves. This could be one big misunderstanding. Therefore, 7 days will be given to them to respond and defend the case. Now, you have to listen very carefully. A couple of things may happen. So let's deal with the accused defending first. The defendant will be able to read everything that you said, and also see all the evidence that you have added. He, or she, will respond to all your accusations. They will have the same opportunity to provide evidence in the case. Currently, this case is just between you and the accused. Once he or she submitted his final defense, argument between you and the accused opens. That is simply a chat box, recorded between the two of you, all happening in black and white. At any time you or the accused can decide to end the argument. But I would recommend that you only do that if you see that the conversation will lead nowhere. The main intention will be that the two of you reach some sort of agreement between each other. Buttons to fulfill this dream is available. We call it settlement. Now, let's say settlement is possible. The first scenario would be that you had it all wrong, and the defendant owes you nothing. Then just close the case. No one will ever know about this, and it's case closed. Or, the second scenario will be that the defendant admits that he, or she, or they, are indebted to you. and request to make an offer as settlement. The defendant will then click the Settle button and offer you a repayment of the sum of your loss at a very reasonable monthly payment. You will receive this offer and decide to accept it or reject it. Again, my opinion is that you are also lenient to accept. Now what happens next, you will like. The closest lawyer to the defendant will send the accused an admission of guilt via email, and the accused will sign with that lawyer the document. You, the plaintiff making the case, will not have to deal with the accused at all. From now on it's in the hands of the lawyer. I see the eyebrows lift. Let me add, not at your cost. Most lawyers are registered with Get Justice for Me, and they have admin rights to delete the case or make it public at any time. So once the defendant misses a payment, it will be up to the lawyer to decide to make the case public, and only remove it once payment again is made, or arrangements are made with the lawyer that he accept. Lawyers do play a major role on this site, and if you are a lawyer listening to this video, feel free to register today as a lawyer and become part of our panel. In summary, if settlement is reached, the accused just pay to the lawyer, and the lawyer will make sure you get what is owed to you. Simple. Well, up to now we dealt with the dream case. Let's throw in some what-ifs. So what if the accused decide not to defend? Then he gets what he deserves. Your case goes public, and whenever someone search his name on Google, they will see what you said, and the whole world may know the total insight of the happenings. That might be the only satisfaction you may get. If the accused goes to the website Get Justice for Me, he or she will be able to see the lawyer appointed to the case, and can contact the lawyer at any stage. If a request is to remove the case, the lawyer will negotiate the terms and try and reach a settlement on your behalf. You will still have to agree to the settlement. Now that sounds all good and fair, but what if we cannot reach a settlement? What if the accused refuses to settle? If this is during argument, as I previously explained, there is a button to say stop argument at any time. That means that the case will now end up on the lawyer's desk. And if I have not mentioned before, there is no cost to you. The lawyer will assess the detail of your case, and also those of the defendant. He will then reach an opinion and add that to the case. It's like playing judge. The lawyer's opinion would be made public. Your case, and all arguments and evidence of both parties, will be for anybody and everybody to read, which includes the comment or opinion made by the lawyer. At any time the lawyer can be contacted, and all negotiations will be with the lawyer. The next thing would be that the public may comment on your case at any time, and there are functionality to spread this into any social network. Get Justice for Me can help you. Written-off debt can be recovered. Even if the law sets time limits to file cases, Get Justice can change that. There is a warning. Get Justice do not allow you to call the accused any names or use any swear words in your case explanation. Cases like that just get removed and you lose valuable time and effort and money. You ask, what will this cost me? Filing a case is only $4.95. And to defend a case is the same. Signing an admission of guilt will vary depending on the lawyer's fees, but will be added to the repayments. So why not start today and get back what you feel is yours? Get Justice for Me is for you.